watching. Today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite topics: cleaning products, house things, things that you'll love. You just will love too. So first, I'm going to talk about Scrub Daddy because I swear everyone and their mom is talking about Scrub Daddy. So I had to buy it. I bought mine on Amazon. I bought a 3-pack. I loved it so much that I gave one to my mother-in-law, Sharon, because she was just visiting us. Scrub Daddy is so interesting. This is my new one, but I have a dirtier one by the sink. And the reason why I like Scrub Daddy is it's hard. And then when you go ahead and put it underneath water, it softens up a little bit. And then I feel like it lasts longer than a regular sponge. I swear it does. It doesn't have like that stinky odor to it. Food doesn't get stuck on it and stays on it. It's just, I see the hype. I honestly see the hype, and I thought I was gonna buy it to hate on it. Not even gonna lie, be like, all these people trying to talk about it like it is something, but it is. I have to tell you, it is. It is giving what it needed to give, and it's doing its job. So thank you, Scrub Daddy. Well, thank you for existing. Y'all ain't give that to me. I bought it myself. Thank you kindly. Nothing here was given to me, so I just wanted to mention that. And then, do you guys ever want to like refresh your couch or your carpet or the air? So this is what I like to use. This scent, oh my gosh, they even have it in scent like boosters that you can put in your laundry, like your washing machine, and it makes your clothes smell really good. Anyways, they turned it into a Febreeze spray. It's the Febreeze Unstoppables, and I get this, guess where? Amazon. You can also get it at Target because I saw it at Target recently too. Anyways, you spray your couch, you spray your carpet, you spray the air, and it just smells like the Unstoppable scent that I love so much that I even like use a little scent boosters for laundry. So it just makes your house smell really good. So before you have company over, you better spray it. Even in the bathroom, sometimes somebody got a really stinky one. Spray that. You're good to go. It makes everything just smell so good. Or if you have like that really old wool jacket that smells a little funky, spray it a little bit, with this, and it just kind of refreshes your fabrics. You just need to try it. Add to cart right now. I will link everything that I mentioned down below because it's worth it. And then Mr. Clean, this man right here. Okay, where is he? How come? Okay, there you go. This man right here knows what's up. Mr. Clean knows how to clean his home, okay? Because these little magic erasers work so well, and I like how there's two sides. There's like this like groovy chevron print that's like the rougher side, and then the other side is the softer side. And everyone needs a magic eraser like this. You can use it to descale your shower. Like my shower, like we have hard water, so my shower, all the glass gets really funky and just a lot of like hard water stains. This works. You wet it and then you just scrub. You don't need any product. You just scrub and it just makes everything better. You got crayon stains, get a little bit of water, scrub your wall, gets rid of it. But be careful because it will interfere with paint. So if you have like a regular like white wall, it won't mess it up. Like door stains, how like scuffing. I remember Justin and we moved I think like, honestly, we moved like at least 8 times together. Different apartments, different homes. This house that we bought here, we have lived in it for like over 6 years. This is the longest we ever lived in a place. Like we used to move a lot. Anyways, long story short, when we were renting, you have to get rid of all the scuffs or you won't get your money back. You know what I mean? You won't get your deposit back. So what we were doing was we were using these to get rid of any like scuffs, anything on the wall. It works like magic, and just thought I'd let you know. There's so many uses for this. I'm sure you can Google up like 1,000 ways to use this, but gotta get this and keep it in your cleaning supply cabinet because it does so much for you. It literally does. You know what? Even stains on your body. Let me just tell you. I got some hair dye like right here. I tried to use it on myself. I was like, it gets rid of like stuff on the wall, so let me try. It did a little bit. It did, but I'm sure it's not for that, so I'm not even going to tell you to do that because it's not meant for that. But I was just letting you know that's what I did. Oh, and then this is called Zep. This is probably like my 4th bottle. It is a foaming shower and tub tile cleaner. It has a pretty strong scent, but it needs to do that for me sometimes because I mean, I don't care that it smells so strong because it works really well. It gets rid of all the hard water stains. You spray your shower or your glass door down and you spray all of it. So it smells pretty strong. Open your windows up. But this is when you like really need the help. Spray it down real good. Wait like it says 2 minutes or whatever. I wait longer. It says wait 2 to 3 minutes. I don't. I wait like 10 minutes or even like 5 to 7 minutes. And then you wipe it down. I used to wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, but that was a lot of work. What I realized was you wipe it down with a sponge, a Scrub Daddy sponge or a big old sponge or a big old brush that you have. This is B-roll. This is the next thing that I need to share. It has saved my back. It's the best thing I've ever purchased in my cleaning life, I have to tell you. It is this. It's a scrubber. It's a bathtub scrubber. It's a big old brush with a big old stick on it. I don't have to bend over to scrub anything anymore. I just use that big old brush and it's so good. And it works so well for like the glass doors. It works for the tile. It works for the bathtub. It makes cleaning so fun and I love it, and you guys need to get one. I want to buy at least 2 more as backup in case something happens to that, or in case that brush gets a little funky, or I might research and see if I can just replace the attachment on it and see. But it's so good. You guys need to get it. Like if you are getting old like me, I'm 36. My back is not the same as it used to be, It just helps. It just makes cleaning so much fun. But you already know, like I already love cleaning anyway, but it makes it so much better. And then this is not cleaning related, but it is home related. And I have to share, I am a huge fan of Jackie Aina. I always have been since the very beginning. And she came out with a candle line called Forever Mood. Here's the thing. I own every single candle she ever released because I am that girl. I don't just buy one at a time. I buy the entire collection. And one of her collections, I think it was the spring one, it was so good. It was the one that I love that I swear by is Cloud Dreams. It just smells so delicious. I ran out of that one, so I bought an individual one because I needed to have another Cloud Dream. It was that serious. It smells so good. I don't care what season. Cloud Dreams is how I want my entire house to smell like. If you haven't smelled Cloud Dreams, get it now. You won't regret it. You won't be mad. You will keep buying it. And then Jackie came out with her fall set. Oh my gosh. I bought the whole box too. I mean, I was telling Justin, Jackie Aina is the only influencer, social media person that I will literally spend $200 for candles for, because that's how much it costs when you buy like the 4-pack, right? But if you want to buy individual ones, if you want to just buy individuals, get Cloud Dreams and get Autumn. Yes, you heard it, Autumn. I love this candle. It is the smell of autumn. It has like a nutty scent to it. It's not too strong. It is everything. I love Autumn. And the name, and the color, like it's beautiful. Like it's stunning. Like the way she packages everything, the way it looks, it's just so fitting. Like this was the spring line, this is the fall line. Look at the way it's just excellent quality, amazing smelling candles. Cloud Dreams and Autumn is just so good. Highly, highly recommend, my friends. You guys need to get it. Like I'm that serious about it. I tell everyone about it. And you know what? For Christmas, I need to get some and give to my besties because they need to have their house smelling like it too, because it's that serious. It smells that good. And then, oh my gosh, we're just trying to make your house smell good. You know how sometimes your sink smells a little funk to funk? It happens. It happens. So that's why I like using this. This is the Fresh Disposal Cleaner. So you just put this in your disposal, you turn the water on and you're good to go. It'll just kind of freshen up the disposal, especially if you put a lot of like food in there. It just starts to smell. You just follow the instructions. It looks like this. I only have like 2 left in here. But yeah, and also a Fresh. I love that they have one for the dishwasher, which I have done a clean with me. I showed you guys that before. They also have one for washing machine. So a Fresh is a really good brand that like just freshens up everything from your disposal, your sink, your dishwasher and your washing machine. But like buy the one that you want specifically, but I'm specifically talking about the disposal cleaner. It works. It just freshens up the sink in the disposal area so well. Like your whole house is going to just smell so much better after like stinky food up is in that disposal, you know? And then this, oh my gosh, so it's actually sad, but if I don't seem sad, sometimes I am. I be crying every day because my mom passed away. Like today, actually, I was hungry and I wanted a snack, so I went into my cabinet and I got Skyflakes crackers, and my mom gave that to me when we were in Hawaii. She's like, oh, here's some snacks for the plane. And I was like, thanks, Mom. I love Skyflakes crackers. I love them so much. They're my favorite. They taste so good. I don't know why. Oh, and then I started crying about it, and then I got sad. I was like eating a Skyflake cracker, just sad. But that's just completely out of subject. But what I did want to share was when I went to see my mom at the hospital, one of the last times I saw her, and I was just like chatting with her, I always came in sweatpants, and I came with a hoodie. It was like a fleece Columbia looking hoodie, you know, those like fluffy kind of hoodies, and I put the sticker as a guest on it. And I came home and I did laundry and I forgot to remove the sticker, and the sticker stayed on. The sticker would not go away, and I was like, how am I going to get rid of the sticker and all the little pieces that it became? It was so hard. And so I grabbed this is my little sweater shaver, the fabric shaver. It's by Remington. You can get this on Amazon. You just turn it on like this. Oh, I guess my battery broke because I was really using it. But you turn it on, it goes zzz, and it shaves off fabric. So if you have lint, if you have any like funky looking fuzz on your sweater that you need to get rid of, or on your jacket, just do one spot just to see that it doesn't ruin your clothing, but it gets rid of it. And it, look, this is some of the stuff that was left over from my sweater with the sticker on it. And Justin was like, it's not gonna work for the sticker. That's a whole lot of sticker. That's a big old square sticker. And I was like, yes, it will. And it did. So you guys have to get this. It really works. And it's like $5 or something on Amazon. And I'm sure you guys can find it maybe at Target, but just to be safe, Amazon. I'll link everything, you know. And then, do I have more? Oh, okay, you guys. So I bought this, but I did work with Swash. I worked with them a while ago on an Instagram post. I worked with them before on an Amazon Live, but I swear by this product. I swear by it. I'm crazy obsessed with it. And it's weird to be obsessed with detergent, but I really am. This is the Swash detergent. It's 8 times concentrated. You can get 83 loads with it. It's so good. My favorite scent is Simply Sunrise because it has like this tropical scent to it, like citrusy scent. I don't know. I just really like it. And I like it because look at this container. It's not big and bulky. Like I have 5 of these guys. I buy them regularly on Amazon. And the cool thing is, look, you squeeze, 1 is a regular load, and then you squeeze again, and 2, that's a large load. And this is all you need. It's super concentrated. It's like 8 times concentrated. That's why you don't need that much detergent. And it smells so good. So good. Yeah, so those are some of my favorite cleaning products, you guys. It's been a while, but I got one more, okay? I got one more. So this is called the Fuller Pod. I don't have it with me because I ran out. That's how much I love it. But I need to buy more. But the Fuller Pod is this little pod. You throw it in your toilet, and for 10 minutes, it just kind of like fizzles and like it just fizzles, and then it looks all foamy. And then after that, after the 10 minutes, you just kind of like scrub your toilet a little bit, but it does a lot of the work for you already, like when it comes to like the cleaning. And it's such a light scent because you know how sometimes like toilet cleaners, the toilet liquids, they smell so strong. By the time you're done cleaning, it's like your whole bathroom smells like bleach. And sometimes you don't want that strong scent. You just want it to be like a slight scent, but you want to also clean your toilet. I love those Fuller Pods. I bring them with me when I travel. I just really like it because I like my toilet clean before I take a dump, to be honest. You know, you don't want that splashback. You want your toilet to be clean before that ever happens. You know what I mean? You don't ever want the splashback. What you do is you put toilet paper in it, and then it prevents the splashing. I just wanted to teach you guys, because, you know, splashing back could give you guys like UTIs and stuff. I know, I'm that girl. I talk about these things because who else will? I want you guys to not get UTIs and stuff. Anyways, friends, thank you, friends, so much for watching. Get that Polar Pod. You know you want it. Get everything that I mentioned. I will link everything down below. You will love it. I swear by it. You guys know me in cleaning products. So yeah, everything's listed down below. And I will see you next time. Bye.